sa kalsada ani. Yung gamito non-stick lang yung gamito ng kaha.
134 na yun.
Yeah. Nice. We are going to South Sacramento. Is that South? Yeah. South Sac. To buy some stuff, etc., etc., and etc. And thanks again for the watch, for the like.
Please subscribe.
And subscribe to my YouTube channel. Enjoy Igso on. Igso das on. Yeah. I have a lot of videos in that channel. Yeah, we are now exiting Capital City Freeway, which is the 80, and access also. You have the access also to 99 South. Okay, we're here now. The weather is good. 95 degrees Fahrenheit. Actually, init na kayo na ba? Kasunod sa kyanan, okay lang. Kung mapaktas ka, perting inita. This is 980 Capital Freeway 80. Nag-like sa mga videos nga nako-post. Salamat. Kung ako nagpasalamat sa inyo tanan, karon salamat tanan. And more coming. If you want, visit my YouTube channel. Enjoy Igso on. Salamat daan. Okay, now we're heading Antelope Road. Going I believe. What's wrong with this Corona? Naghihintay ka ng Fiesta. Green ang stoplight. Signal lights. This is Antelope Road, Antelope City. May mga babahay dari sa left side, mga housing for sale. So, sobrang mahal. And also in your right, our favorite store, Coles. Ang paboritong tindahan natin Coles. And we go to Don Julio Boulevard. Going to Greenback. Okay guys, dito na tayo sa Sam's. Tapos na pumapalit dire. Yeah. Okay, let's see if